Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll go ahead and show you on how you can fix this specific problem right here in multiple ways. So basically, the first thing that we have to do to fix this problem is to check the server and client versions. Now, if we go ahead and navigate through our Athernus server, we can then see the version of our Minecraft right here for the specific server. So in our case, it's going to be 1.21.8. And so if we navigate through our launcher, we can just make sure that we are using the same version. If not, you then want to change the version from the Minecraft launcher or the server itself. If that didn't work, we can then go ahead and use the dynip from the Athernus server. So to locate your dynip, you can just click on the connect button and the dynip will then open up right here. Just copy this and use this as your server on Minecraft. Now, if the server address didn't work, you want to try adding a colon and the port number at the end of the server address. For example, myserver.athernus.me column the port, which is 25565 as an example. Now, the next thing that we have to do is to simply shorten our username. Having longer username will go ahead and cause this problem. From there, we then want to check antivirus and firewall settings. You can add exceptions. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking the connection. So just search for Windows Defender Firewall, and you want to make sure that your client and Java is allowed in the Windows firewall. From there, we then want to restart our router. And if that didn't work, we then want to reinstall Minecraft. If the above step didn't work, you want to try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Minecraft launcher and game. This can fix corrupted game files or launcher issues. Another thing that you can go ahead and do is to update your JavaScript or your Java application. So just search for control panel, search for Java, click on Java, and then you want to click on update and update now button. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.